Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about the coronavirus and the big upsurge in the United States at this time. The holidays are coming up, and it can wipe out a large percentage of our population, or at least give comorbidities for people that are called long haulers. So I wanted to talk about this on my channel. And with the recent upsurge, I wanted to get some masks, and I want to get some N95 masks that are finally available to me and to you. And for their sponsorship, I got to check out the masks, and I want to show you what I have. Just so you know, in the links below, I'm not going to go a lot of time on this, but I want you to know so you can get these. They have KN95s that are certified and just cost $2.50 each. And those are the ones with the ear loops. They also have the classic N95s, and this is what I need whenever I go into a doctor's appointment or somewhere I know there might be sick people. And they have the metal thing on the top to clip it to your nose, and the two straps in the back to go around your head. And my favorite is the RespoCare. They have something on the exterior of these that actually kills the virus when it's on your face. Those are amazing. I'd never seen those before. So check them out. Let me get to what I'm talking about with the virus right now. And I love Dr. Fauci. He's my hero. Here's a clip about him right now, warning us about the surge in the virus.
As of 2 days ago, the numbers throughout the globe have been stunning, making this already the most disastrous pandemic that we have experienced in our civilization in over 102 years. Unfortunately for the United States, we have been hit more hard than virtually any other country on the planet. Now, unfortunately, we've plateaued again to about 40 to 50,000 cases a day. And as we're getting into the cooler weather, we're getting more and more cases. So this looks like we're going to have a very difficult fall and winter. There will be so many people in the community that you can't shelter, that you can't protect, who are going to get sick and get serious consequences. So this idea that we have the power to protect the vulnerable is total nonsense. You'll wind up with many more infections of vulnerable people, which will lead to hospitalizations and deaths. So I think that we just got to look that square in the eye and say it's nonsense.
The current surge in the virus is getting 60,000 new cases a day, and that's probably going to go up. Soon there's probably going to be about 300 deaths in the United States, and it could get worse. People are tired of the coronavirus. I am. I've been going out to restaurants. That's my one safe place. I can sit outside and meet one friend, and that's how I break my bubble. I know I'm not supposed to break my bubble, and please comment to me, what is your bubble? I've had my best friend from first grade come and move in with me, and we've been having a grand time, she and I. She's now in my household. Oh my gosh, what a change in my life that has been since I live alone. Now I've got my best buddy living with me. That has changed my life. I hope you understand, as my YouTube viewers, what that means to me. I hope you have family or someone that's included in your life. I am not a public health official, so I can't recommend anything when it comes to public health. And I know what I have done is not right. I'm not supposed to go out to dinners of any gatherings in my county of Santa Barbara to even have a dinner. That is forbidden by our county public health. But I have broke those rules. I've sat at an outdoor dinner table many times with one or two people. The biggest was 3 in a restaurant having a dinner. I thank goodness that I have not got the virus. That's about the safest activity I could think to do, besides my walks on the beach. I do a lot of those. But this is kind of a confession of my sins here today, because I'm such an advocate for safety. I came out with that mask video that just broke records at 2.5 million views of how to make an N95 mask with a bra. Really great to put that out there when everybody was saying you don't need masks. Well, yes, of course we all need masks because they protect you from me. It is imperative that my girlfriend staying with me doesn't get the virus. She's got something going on, and so do I health-wise. So it is my hope and my prayer that I do not get the virus. And if you do, I'll be talking about it, but I don't think it's going to go very well for me. And so I'm doing my best, and I want to urge you, everybody watching, just to be careful. I care about you. These holidays are coming up. The deal with Thanksgiving is, as people travel to be with their families, they could be gathering an infection because they're going to a hot zone of America. And they may be doing some things as well that give them the opportunity for the virus to attack them. And then they'll also infect their larger groups as they get together. That's why the public health of America and of every county and community is terribly worried about a Thanksgiving holiday. It is only this year that we need to be careful of that. It's one Thanksgiving out of our lifetimes. The world has never seen a pandemic like this, as you heard Dr. Fauci say earlier in the video. So be mindful of your actions and what you do. And I hope and pray you're okay in your home as you're watching this video and reminding yourself, yeah, we still got the pandemic. I'm exhausted of it, but what can I do instead? What are my silver linings in life? I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I'm very concerned about you. I'm concerned about me. I'm concerned about our country and the world with this pandemic. Please, let's have a conversation in the comments. That helps my videos be seen by other people. If you like me, that helps. And if you don't like what I say and want to say something negative, it's okay. Just don't swear. You know, all opinions are valuable, and everybody's opinion is important because we get to hear how all individuals think. And this allows us to have a greater understanding of those in our community, in our family, and in our worlds. Okay, I'm going to sign off for now. I've certainly talked a lot. Oh yeah, and if you want those masks, click the link below and you can shop for them and see if you like them. Now this wrist book here, I got to say, that's awesome. It kills the virus. Yay. Okay, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notified of my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah. If you like this video and you want to see more of my coronavirus series, they're over here, and I also have some great recipes too, because maybe you're cooking a little more. Right over there.